Hi, I'm a travel enthusiast with a job who travels the world, capturing new experiences along the way. Please join me on my adventure around the globe as I make it my goal to bring the world to you. I am Alex Wong, and welcome to my channel. Alright guys, so we're at a McDonald's in India, having McDonald's in India for the first time, and I got this veggie Mahara mac. It's interesting.
Oh, you're destroying it. You're destroying it.
Here we go. Got some sauce, some cheese, some lettuce, onions, some fries. Ken got an egg sandwich.
I got an egg.
Alright, well let's see what this tastes like. Veggie patty, some lettuce, some cheese, some kind of cheese sauce. Actually not that bad. We are on a sleeper bus to Varanasi. Quite an experience. And sleeping. Alright, so we have an hour and a half left, give or take. How you feeling, Ken?
Doing alright.
This is our Canadian friend Raj. How you feeling, man?
Good, how you doing?
Yeah, we're basically done with this bus ride. But it's a comfy bus ride with beds.
We slept, that's for sure.
Yeah, we did. We did sleep.
I'm not sure what kind of disease we'll get, but we slept.
Yeah. Not sure how clean the beds are, but we shall see. But this is what the bus looks like. This is our special thali plate right here. What is what? Dal
and
curry,
paneer butter
masala,
onion pickle,
okay,
rice and butter roti.
thank you. Varanasi, India, known as the spiritual capital of India. Hindu pilgrims come to Varanasi to bathe in the sacred waters of the Ganges River and perform funeral ceremonies. Behind us was basically a crematorial site, a crematory where people come here to die because it's really a spiritual city. And then there's businesses that burn the bodies along with, yeah, it's a hard place. But it's over there, and right now we're in a place where no bodies are being burned because we don't want to disturb the family. Alright, so we are at Kerala Cafe over there. My boy Ken, his birthday. Lots of people here. Did they have breakfast?
Yeah.
Alright, so Ken got this right here.
No, I got the masala.
I thought you told him that.
No, the masala.
You did?
Yeah.
Alright, well Ken got that. I got this, which is plain, and I might try that, the masala dosa. So we'll see. Alright guys, so we are at the Kerala Cafe, getting some dosas. Mixing it up here, bro. It's a nice crepe right here. It's basically a paper crepe. Traffic, traffic, traffic. When you visit India, expect madness on the roads. You will see animals, people, bikes, motorcycles, tuk-tuks, cars, and trucks. Every minute, you will hear a lot of honking. People in India, they love to honk. I think the drivers just want to let people know that they exist, and that's why they honk. So expect a lot of honking. Beep beep. Dosa is amazing. The potatoes are cooked perfectly. It's nice and soft. You still have the solid potatoes, so it's not mushy. You can taste the cumin. It's not overpowering, but it has just the right amount. You can taste the pepper, onions, and the dosa crepe batter. It's just perfect. It's nice and crispy. And then when you add the sauce, you got the sourness of the chutney and then the spice of the sambar curry sauce. And this amazing bite is absolutely delicious. Some chai masala right here.
Everything I eat is masala.
Try sometime or Indian food, certain yummy food.
I've only eaten Indian food. I'm in India.
Go India, but sometime try.
I've tried lots of different things, but
So, this is a cow eating from a garbage can, which is very common, and you'll see cows eat anything here. Hi! Hi! So much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.